It's Doris at DF Designs. Welcome to another video. This one's being recorded because I'm going to have to speed up parts of it, and I think I'm going to have to wait like a few hours before I do the other one. This is based on, I've never done this before, and I wanted to do something on top of this painting, and Me Paintings, Veronica Me, she has some great tutorial videos on using masking tape and black to make some 3D shading. So I'm going to put it down in the description, doink, 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 down there, okay? And this is going to be all speeded up. And music, of course. So I will come back at the end of the video and discuss how good or bad I did at doing this, because this is my first time of doing it. So sit back and enjoy. Okay, let me fix that one spot right there. Because that looks like the only one I had a problem with of keeping a dark line. So what I did was I'm putting a fresh piece of tape right there. And just very, very carefully. Now, let me see if I can soften the top edge of this line just a little bit. Okay. Okay, that's not working either. Oh, there's a clean edge. Okay, let's see if that darkened up the line. Yes, it did. Okay, so tell me what you think. I'm kind of happy with it. I think I should have done another one right here. Oh well. Oh well. Nah, I'll leave it. I'll leave it. Okay, so anyway, let me bring it up a little bit so you can get a close-up look of my lines. And I'm going to have to turn it this way. This was one of my failed open cut pours with no silicone. And I just wanted to, well, not failed, I just wanted to jazz it up some. So anyway, tell me down in the comments what you think. I know I need some more work on doing this. I probably shouldn't have started with something this big. Oh, let me see if I can touch this up just a hair right here. I don't see enough of a line right there. So I'm open to all criticism. Thank you for coming out to watch. Big shout out to the grandbabies, Devin, Alyssa, Tony, Jameson, Marley, and Riven. Grandma loves you, and all I can say is bye for now. Love you, Bentley. Wink, wink.